If you wanted to check the battery temperature on your CMF Phone 2 Pro, then we need to download a third-party app that allows us to check this information. So we're gonna go to the Play Store and we're gonna find an app that contains this information, that provides it for us. So for example, I'm gonna write the device info, and then you should be able to find some sort of app. For example, I'm gonna use this one. Most of these apps contain this information about the battery temperature, and they allow us to check that information at any point. So let's open the app, let's press agree and start. Of course, we have an ad in the meantime, so let's close it. And you can also grant the permission for the app sometimes, but most of the time you don't really need to do that if you just want to check the temperature. So in this case, let's search for battery. There we go. And over here, you should be able to find information about temperature. As you can see, it is visible over here. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.